I hate anchovies. Let's be honest. We've all heard it, and maybe we've even said it. It's a phrase uttered with such visceral conviction that it almost feels like a culinary rite of passage. But here's the delicious irony. If you've ever said those words, there is a statistically high probability that you were enjoying them. At that very moment, perhaps with a look of pure satisfaction on your face. For decades, these tiny silver streaks have been the ultimate scapegoat. They've been mocked for their pungent aroma, feared by picky eaters, and treated like a salty, oily prank played by a mischievous chef. Yet, beneath this polarizing reputation lies one of the most sophisticated and influential ingredients in human history. A biological masterpiece. Anchovies aren't just fishy little things. They are flavor-enhancing powerhouses hiding in plain sight. They are the invisible soul of your favorite dressings, the secret depth in your stews, and the backbone of sauces you probably swear by. Today we're peeling back the tin lid to discover how this microscopic marine life managed to conquer the global palate from the shadows. To truly get the anchovy, we have to look past the shelf and dive into the Anchovies family. Masters of the collective. Picture millions of them moving as a liquid organism in massive schools, navigating the currents of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. While the oceans teem with 140 species, the culinary world bows to a few. The undisputed champion is the Anchovies encrasicalis. But here's the first secret. A fresh anchovy is absolutely nothing like the salty brown strip in your nightmares. Straight from the fisherman's net, they are elegant, mild creatures. Their flesh is soft, clean, and has an almost sweet finish. If your only reference is a jar, you haven't tasted an anchovy, you've tasted a transformation. Like a fresh grape versus a sun-dried raisin. The aggressive flavor isn't a biological trait. It's a byproduct of ancient chemistry and human patience. Alchemy begins. Fish are layered in wooden barrels, buried under mountains of sea salt, and subjected to immense pressure. This is pure alchemy. Over months, natural enzymes dismantle proteins. They convert them into a concentrated army of amino acids, specifically glutamate. This is the scientific birth of umami, the mythical fifth taste. It's that deep, savory richness on the center of your tongue. It's the same chemical magic found in a 24-month aged Parmigiano Reggiano, or a masterfully reduced Japanese dashi. When a cured anchovy hits a hot pan with a bit of olive oil, it doesn't stay a fish for long. It literally dissolves. It becomes a natural form of MSG that acts as a volume knob for every other ingredient in the pot. It doesn't make your dinner taste fishy. It makes your steak meatier, your tomatoes sweeter, and your broth richer. Now let's clear up a confusion. People lump anchovies with sardines. In the kitchen, they live in different worlds. Think of sardines as the steaks of the small fish world. They are larger, meatier, and consumed as a main protein source. There's also a health angle. Because anchovies sit at the bottom of the food chain, they are biological miracles of purity. They simply don't have enough time to accumulate heavy metals. This means they contain significantly less mercury than tuna. Humanity's obsession isn't a modern trend, it's ancient. 2,000 years ago, the Roman Empire was fueled by garum. This fermented fish sauce was the ketchup of antiquity. Factories produced a liquid gold traded across 3 continents. Today, that Roman DNA lives on. When you splash Vietnamese nuoc mam or Thai nam pla into a wok, you participate in tradition. Still think you're a hater? Check your pantry. That bottle of Worcestershire sauce? It's essentially fermented anchovy juice. Love a world-class Caesar salad? That je ne sais quoi in the dressing is, you guessed it, anchovies. The deep, addictive soul of a pasta puttanesca? Anchovies. They are the secret agents of the culinary world. They do the heavy lifting in the background, providing the bass note to the melody, never asking for credit. Beyond flavor, they are powerhouses. Every tiny fillet is a dose of heart-healthy omega-3, calcium, and vitamin B12. Pro tip from grandmothers. Soak the fillets in cold water or milk for 10 minutes. This removes harsh salt, but keeps the soul. It is a humble, tiny creature that transforms into a titan of taste. History, chemistry, and nutrition in a tiny frame. So, next time you see them, don't recoil. Don't think of the fishy prank. Think of empires and the alchemy of umami. Thank you for exploring the hidden depths with us. If this changed your mind, let us know in the comments. Stay curious. We'll see you in the next story hidden in the smallest details.